that ain't fair. Now I see, that's why I always felt the hurt. It's you that made me love myself. In a way, I've wanted someone else to love me. I guess that's why I love you more the more the days pass by. If I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. And I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. And if the world was ending tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. You made me see you can never love someone until you love yourself the way you love me. I don't get tired of how I did with everybody else. How I did with everybody else. If I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. If the world was ending tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. Best parts of me were made from loving you. Best parts of me were made from loving you. Best parts of me were made from loving you. Best parts of me. Best parts of me were made from loving you. Not many people I can say that I trust. Always been like this, don't give away that much. But somehow I gave it all to you. I keep my cards held close to my chest. Takes me time to relax, I confess. But somehow I gave it all to you. I complicate every situation, build up a storm with anxiety. Once you came into the equation, I became the best kind of me. Won't you stay a little longer? I've been missing someone like you. I know we're both getting older. We don't got time to lose. It feels right when you hold me. I'm just a little less lonely. Sounds cliche, but it's true. When you're young, you don't think about how good things have a bad side. You spend your time waiting around for the fall, not the goodbye. Yeah. When you're naive and so green, it makes it hard to believe how life works when you're older. Even the best of us get hurt sometimes. Could be from life or love, or I don't know why. It's all out of our hands, nobody will ever understand. Don't blame yourself and don't ask why. That's the art of getting by. That's the art of getting by. It gets easy to become blind to the good things when times are rough. But when there's nothing left to try to, it's okay to throw your hands up. 'Cause there's no use in getting burned from the same lessons that you learned. So carry them with you and be wiser. Even the best of us get hurt sometimes. Could be from life or love, or I don't know what. It's all out of our hands, nobody will ever understand. Don't blame yourself and don't ask why. That's the art of getting by. That's the art of getting by. No, life ain't a game. There's nothing to win and no way to cheat. We all walk through flames, all get burned from the heat. Yeah. Even the best of us get hurt sometimes. Could be from life or love, or I don't know why. It's all out of our hands, nobody will ever understand. Don't blame yourself and don't ask why. That's the art of getting by. That's the art of getting by. Yeah, yeah. To know about love, thought I did until I knew your heart didn't really go into much when it came to opening my heart. Until you found a way to knock down every wall I kept all around. Oh, you came, you saw, you conquered, being loved by you's an honor. And if I ever lose you now, losing myself too. I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. And if the world